Take the side panel out. Align the side panel with bottom and back panel. Fix with screws. Same way for the other side of drawer. Align the front panel with bottom and side panel and fix them with screws. Put the decoration cover on. Make your drawer more luxury. Drill the locating hole on top of bottom panel. Fix the adjustable pin on the bottom of side panel. There is an adjustable pin on the left and right drawer slide, distinguished by the letters marked on its corners. The installation position of the adjustment pin is confirmed by the distance from top of slide to adjustable screw. Put the slide on the drawer and do the debugging. There is an adjustable knob on the bottom of slide. Turn it to adjust the height of drawer. Disassemble the slide. Fix it inside the cabinet. Pull out the slide. Align the drawer with slide. Push it to cabinet. The installation is done.